Damani. He's playing outside by himself. He's such a good boy. Hi, baby. What you doing?
Okay.
Is that your truck?
Yeah.
Feels pretty good outside, huh? Looks like it's gonna rain, though.
And my way. And my way.
Yeah, it might rain. Do you like the rain?
Yeah. Give me.
Look at your nose. It's running.
Money.
Running. Oh, you got your Halloween socks on. I can't really see them, though, huh? Cute.
Mercy. Mercy. Pipina. And sure.
It's your truck? Oh, our cat's outside. There's our apartment. We're cleaning. Townhome. That's what they call them.
Mama. And sure.
You want to videotape? There's your truck. You see it on the camera?
Yeah.
Here it goes. No, it don't. Is it broken?
See? Get.
You're so dirty. Playing in all this dirt and mud. Look at your hair. Can I give you a haircut before school tomorrow?
No.
Why? I'm the bomb.
And sure. Yeah.
It's Quentin's truck. No, that's your truck. I bought it for you for your birthday.
Get, Mama.
Oh. I wish I knew what went through this little boy's head. His little imagination. You're cute.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Chip. Shy.
Do you want to go down that slide?
Yeah. Sure. Shy.
You want to go down the slide with your truck? Why are you just speaking like half? Usually you do sentences. Being lazy.
No. Well. Help, Mama.
Can you see Corey? He's on the phone arguing. It's a serious conversation.
Help, Mama.
You need help?
Yeah.
With what?
Help.
No.
No.
Oh. Yeah.
Help, Mama.
Push the button. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, my kid is wild. How old are you?
Cute.
What's your name?
Cute.
You're cute.
Get. Help.
What's your name?
Please.
You're too busy playing. Oh no, where's the truck going? I can't find it. Where is it? Where's the truck? Hey, baby. Baby. Okay, bye.
No.
You want me to stay here? Ew, look at that nasty apple. People leave some weird stuff out here. I hate our park. It only has a slide, 2 ghetto swings, and a lion, horse, dog thing. And a whole bunch of wood chips and toys. Oh, look, a bracelet. That's cute. You like bracelets, huh?
Get. No. Mama.
If you notice, he never calls me mommy or mom. It's mama. It's always mama. It's so cute. When he was little, he called me mommy. But now it's mama.
No.
Where are you going?
Bye. Bye.
Here you go. Okay, then why did you have me pick it up, weirdo? You want me to put the phone down?
Yeah.
Why? Okay, let's get on the swing. You ready? Here we go.
Bucket.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay.
Bucket.
Whee!
Big hike.
Big hike. Where?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, Mama.
It's not gonna break. That one breaks. See? It's already broken.
See?
Maintenance guy sucks here.
My swing.
That's your swing? Whee!
Oh no, break.
Oh no. Oh no.
Break.
You're making Mama dizzy.
There.
You're scared?
No.
Isn't that cute, Mama? I love that sound. Or sound. Word. Melts my little heart. Mama, what's my name? What's my name? Wanna go hike?
No.
Here we go. Here we go.
Bucket.
Whoa! He almost kicked me.